Getting ready to graph this polynomial, the first thing we should do is check for symmetry. So we'll do f of negative x. It will be 2 times negative x cubed plus 5 times negative x squared minus a negative x minus 6. It'll be negative 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus x minus 6. No symmetry. Okay, factoring in, oh, we already actually factored this one earlier, and I remember it was x plus 2 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 1. So my zeros are at negative 2, negative 3 halves, and positive 1, and it does cross each of those. At each of those. As x goes to infinity, as x goes to infinity, this is an odd degree with a positive leading coefficient. As x goes to infinity, y will go to infinity. And as x goes to negative infinity, y will go to negative infinity. Our table. The y-intercept, where x is 0, is negative 6. Other points are negative 1, and that would give me a negative 2 plus 5 plus 1 minus 6. So that would give me negative 2. If x were 2, that would give me 16 plus 20 minus 2 minus 6. So minus 8, 28. If x were negative 3, that would give me negative 54, positive 45, positive 3, and negative 6 for a negative 12. And if x were positive 3, that would give me a 54, a 45, a negative 3, and a negative 6. So that would be 90. Okay, now we need to go ahead and graph this. Looking at this, I think we can number the x-axis by ones, and I'm going to number the y-axis by 10. So 10, 20, 40, 60, and 80. So negative 20, negative 40, negative 60, and negative 80. Points I have negative 2, negative 3 halves, and 1 as x-intercepts. So we'll have those points. We have 0, negative 6, which should be about right here. We have negative 1, negative 2. We have 2, 28. We have negative 3, negative 12. And we have 3, 90. We know that as x goes to infinity, y will go to infinity, and as x as x goes to negative infinity, y will go to negative infinity. I'm really curious. Let's check -4 over here. That would give me, let's see, 120 plus 80 plus 4 minus 6. So that'd be a -2. So 126 and 80 will give me 206. Okay, so that's going to get big pretty fast here. And I did that just to find out how fast this goes down, which is even faster than that. Okay, crosses here. It does cross, so it's above and then below again. Because it's below, it crosses, and it's above, and goes clear up here. Quadratic. And from this, 20 minus x and x minus 20 both give you the same quadratic equation. So my h here would be at 20. Okay. Symmetry, it is a quadratic, so this has symmetry at x equals 20. The 0 is at x equals 20, and it has a multiplicity of 2, so it does not cross. As x goes to infinity, y is going to go to infinity, and as x goes to negative infinity, y will still go to infinity because we know this is a parabola, because it's a quadratic equation. The y-intercept, where x is 0, so x is 0, would be 0, 400. Since it is a quadratic, we don't have to worry about too many points. If x was 10, y would be 100, matching x would be 30, and 100, matching this 400, would be 40, and 400. Let's number this by 5, so that'll fit all the values I have so far. And 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, those are all going to fit. We have y-intercept at 20. We have 10, 100, and the matching symmetry at 3100. We have 0, 400, and the matching symmetry at 4400. And our graph looks similar to that.